mind blown right now. I literally just unloaded it, but you know the first thing I did was step on the brake to test it. I come from the sport bike world, like 2 steps, like straight violent. That's straight violent. This thing is going to leave so hard. It has to be build and boost. That sounded sick. Oh my gosh, you guys got to hear this. These sound like gunshots. The cops are gonna show up because of gunshots, I guarantee it. Good for like half a second. Now you're 0 to 60. That was insane. First try, 417. That felt. It was like blah, 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 the whole way. It was just popping. All right, do it again. Okay, you convinced me. Thanks EVO for sending me this. I'm like a kid in a candy store. This is the coolest thing we've done to the Canadium since. This is the coolest thing ever. I love it. It's fucking. I can't wait to show my neighbors at 2 a.m. Yeah. I'm so pumped up about this. Ninja kick someone.
Alright, bud.
Too much 2-step for one day. That's what happens. Like too much energy drinks, you give a gear at too much 2-step.
Yeah.
You go crazy. Dude, mind blown. If you don't have the EVO 2-step in your car, you need it. That is sick. If you're drag racing, here's the thing. I thought that the 2-step would be too much. That's stock clutching. Well, we have the Wayland clutch kit in there, but EVO says you need like their spring. Man, you can trail that. Like that was the stock. Like you don't need their spring to just have the 2-step. Like it was kind of like bouncing up on the belt a little bit there towards the end when it got really hot, and it did fine. That was 2,300 RPMs. I don't know what the stock clutching would do, but that makes me want to turn it up to 2,600 RPMs and see what it does. That is insane. The 2-step literally, that cleared so much time in the 60-foot. Like, God, nutty.
What was the best time with it?
416, something crazy. That's insane. If you're watching this and you don't have the EVO 2-step, I guarantee you're gonna like click pause and call EVO and say, hey, I seen RPM's video of them acting like idiots with your 2-step. I need 1 or 2. I need 3 of your 2-steps. So yeah, call them, dude. EVO Power Sports killed it with that design.